For years, one question kept haunting every Apple fan on the planet. When is Apple making a foldable iPhone? That question finally has an answer, and today, we are breaking down everything leaked so far. Before we dive in, let's talk about why Apple waited so long. While Samsung launched its first foldable back in 2019, Apple chose to sit back, study every mistake, and engineer something completely different. So what is this device actually called? Leaks have been going back and forth between two names: iPhone Fold and iPhone Ultra. And according to the latest reports from spring 2026, Apple may be leaning heavily toward the name iPhone Ultra. The name Ultra makes total sense when you think about it. Apple already uses Ultra for its most premium products: Apple Watch Ultra, M-Series Ultra chips. An iPhone Ultra would sit above even the Pro Max in Apple's lineup. Now let's talk design, and this is where things get seriously exciting. The iPhone Fold is expected to use a book-style inward folding design, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold, but with Apple's signature engineering precision. When closed, the device will look like a wider, passport-shaped iPhone. Dummy unit leaks, shared in April 2026, confirmed this design. It is compact, premium, and unlike anything Apple has ever made before. Open it up, and you are looking at a massive 7.8-inch inner-OLED display, almost iPad-like in size. This inner screen is expected to have absolutely zero crease, which would be a first in the entire foldable phone industry. The outer cover screen measures 5.5 inches, meaning when folded, you still get a fully usable display. You can read messages, take calls, and use apps without ever opening the phone, just like a normal iPhone. Now, here is something that will genuinely shock you. Apple may bring back Touch ID on the iPhone Fold. Yes, a fingerprint sensor, integrated directly into the power button on the side of the device. Why Touch ID? Because fitting Face ID's full sensor system inside a super thin foldable body is extremely difficult. Apple is being smart here. Touch ID on a foldable makes perfect engineering sense. Speaking of thin leaks, suggest the iPhone Fold could measure between 4.5mm and 4.8mm when unfolded. That would make it one of the thinnest foldable phones ever made, thinner than most regular smartphones. The chipset powering this beast is expected to be Apple's brand new A20 chip, built on a 2nm process. This is the same chip going into the iPhone 18 Pro, meaning you get maximum performance with zero compromise. RAM is expected to be 12GB across the entire iPhone 18 lineup, including the Fold. More RAM means better multitasking, and on a large foldable screen, multitasking is everything. What about the cameras? Here is where Apple made a surprising choice. According to the latest leaks, the iPhone Fold will have only 2 rear cameras, not 3, like the Pro models. Apple is prioritizing thinness over camera count. But do not worry, those 2 cameras are expected to be extremely powerful. Apple is focusing on quality over quantity here, which has always been the Apple philosophy when it comes to camera engineering. Battery life on the iPhone Fold is shaping up to be impressive. One Weibo leaker reported a 5500 mAh battery, which would be the largest battery ever placed inside any iPhone in history. A larger battery makes perfect sense for a foldable, because that bigger inner display will consume significantly more power than a standard iPhone screen. Apple clearly planned ahead for this. One leaker also claimed the iPhone Fold will be the most repairable foldable phone ever made, thanks to a modular internal design with fewer This is huge news for anyone worried about long-term durability. Now, let's talk about the price, because this is where a lot of people will have a strong reaction. According to JP Morgan analyst, Samik Chatterjee, the iPhone Fold will start at approximately $1,999 in the United States. Other leakers have placed the starting price even higher, between $2,100 and $2,300 for the base 256GB model. The 1TB version could cost as much as $2,900. Yes, you heard that right. Now compare that to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is priced at $1,999. Apple is coming in at the exact same price point or higher, making this an all-out war in the ultra-premium foldable segment. Despite that shocking price, industry analysts are expecting massive sales. IDC reported that Apple could capture over 22% of all foldable unit sales and a staggering 34% of total foldable market value in its very first year. That number tells you everything. Apple does not need to sell the most units, they will sell the most expensive units. And their loyal customer base will happily pay premium prices for the Apple foldable experience. When will you actually be able to buy it? Most leaks and analysts agree on a September 2026 announcement, alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. However, actual availability could be delayed to October, November, or even December. The reason for potential delays is production complexity. A foldable iPhone requires entirely new hinge engineering, new display assembly technology, and tighter manufacturing tolerances than any previous iPhone model. Apple has a famous history of being late to technology categories and then completely dominating them. It happened with MP3 players, smartphones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds. The foldable market could be next. Samsung has had 7 generations of the Galaxy Z Fold to perfect its formula. Apple is entering with a first-generation device, but with the resources, engineering talent, and brand loyalty to completely shake up the market from day one. The bottom line is this: the iPhone Fold, or iPhone Ultra, is shaping up to be one of the most significant Apple product launches in the company's entire history, and it is happening this year. Whether you are an Apple fan waiting for the perfect reason to upgrade, or an Android user curious about what Apple brings to foldables, this launch is going to matter to everyone in the smartphone world. So would you spend $2,000 or more on the very first iPhone Fold? Drop your answer in the comments right now. And make sure you are subscribed, because the moment Apple makes this official, we will be covering it live.